du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Hey everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and in this video I will show you how to customize your Fedora desktop with Hyperland. Alright guys, so the first thing that you will need to do is get the project file. You can find the link of the project file down in the description of this video. So extract the project file and go inside the project file, and you're gonna find a text file called download links. Open it, and there are a bunch of links over here. So let's go ahead and copy and paste those links to the browser and simply download the themes one by one. So let's paste the link of the icon pack. Okay, so once I've done that, let's go ahead and download them. So go to files and then download Capuchin Dark. Click on download, and after that download the lighter version as well. And then download the icon pack. Click on download. Then download this other icon pack, and then download the graph box theme, which is called medium dark borderless. So download this one. And finally the graph box icon pack. So let's go ahead and quickly download it. And after I am done downloading the themes, you can close the browser and then go to the downloads and then simply extract them. So let's go ahead and select all of them, right click, and then click on extract. So after I've extracted them, I can delete the .tar files that I've just downloaded. So delete them, and now right click on the home and then open a new window and then show hidden files, and then right click on empty space and then click on new folder, and then .icons. I'm gonna create another folder called .themes after I created all of this. So go to .themes and then drag and drop the icon packs folders inside the .themes. Alright, so let's drag and drop these two as well. And after that, go to .themes and do the same. Just simply drag and drop all of the themes folders inside the .themes. Now after I've done that, go to my project file, and this time I'm going to simply run that everything.sh script. So for that, right click on empty space and open a terminal. So after that, while I'm at the project file, I've opened the terminal. Just simply type chmod +x everything.sh and then type /everything.sh to run the script. So type my password and then run the script. So once this is done, I can press Ctrl C and then close the terminal and then simply restart. Now the login screen, select your username and then select the gear icon at the right bottom corner and select Hyperland and then simply type my password and log in. Alright guys, so now I am in Hyperland, and as you can see that these are all of the buttons, and I can change the theme like that by pressing F4 on my keyboard. I can simply change between these three themes. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open the file explorer by pressing F3 and then simply tweak a little bit, do some settings, hide the status bar and menu bar and toolbar, and press F9 on your keyboard to hide the side panel and make the icons a little bit big by pressing Ctrl and the plus key on your keyboard. Alright guys, so finally I'm going to install Fish. For that I'm going to go to my project file and then open a terminal and then go to my project file. And then simply type /installfish.sh, and this is going to make the fish shell the default shell as well. Alright guys, so once this is done, you can close everything and just simply reboot. Alright guys, so I have rebooted and everything is done. Everything is looking alright. So this is the setup guys. So you can press F1 to close a window, you can press F2 to bring up the terminal, you can press F3 to bring up the file explorer, you can press F4 to get the theme switcher, and if you press F5 it's gonna bring up the launcher, and F6 for the power off, logout and restart button, and F7 will bring up the wallpaper switcher. If you press F8 it's gonna bring up the taskbar. So by default the taskbar is hidden, so if you press F8 it's gonna show the taskbar, and if you press F10 it's gonna make all of the windows float, make the size to 50%, and also it's gonna make the windows float if you press F7 after you select a window, and pressing F11 will actually make the wallpaper blur. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate this. Yeah guys, if you got the membership, this really means a lot to me. I really appreciate this. If you got the membership, you're gonna have access to all of the documents and files that I have already uploaded, and also you're gonna have access to the future ones, the future customizations that I will be coming up with very soon. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.